So this is what we're gonna do. I want to do like a smoky, bronzy fall look. So that's what I'm gonna do on my eyes and a glossy new lip because I haven't worn gloss in a good minute. So I already did my brows and we're going to go ahead and use our concealer. I went back to the Tarte Shape Tape. Y'all, I used to get this name so wrong. So yes, and this is in the shade 10 Deep Honey. Use my Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH4, I don't know if that's an 8 or a 0, but I'm gonna use this concealer brush and we're gonna clean our brows. And I'm gonna put this all over my lid as well because we're gonna use this as our eyeshadow primer. Okay, so our brows are on and our primer is on our lids. So make sure you blend all of that out. And I'm going in with the oldie but goodie palette. I'm going to use my Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette. And you guys, I used to love this palette. With this palette, I just know my smoky eyes are going to come out perfectly with the browns and stuff like that. I just know it's going to come out looking beautifully. And then we'll just add a black from another palette since it doesn't have black in here. But other than that, this palette never lets me down. I'm going to use the Huda Desert Dust palette. And I'm going to go in with the shade Retrograde. And it's just this gorgeous orange. Like, it's not too bright of an orange. It's like the perfect fall orange. So I'm going to use this all in my crease. Okay, so now I'm going to use this red, and this is called Saharan. And I'm going to use this red right here. We're going to also put that in the crease. To put amber in the crease as well with the same brush. Then we're going to take our dark brown Okay, so I'm going to go with this Carity Matte palette, and I'm going to use the black from this palette because if I can remember, this palette is really pigmented. So I'm going to use this black right here. Going to go in with the Urban Decay Stone Vibes palette. Y'all, I absolutely love this freaking palette. And I'm going to go in with Tiger's Eye, and it's just pretty bronzy purple, like perfect for fall. That's why I picked it. So I'm going to use this for my shadow. So with these shadows, the shimmer shadows, do not do the concealer trick, because if you do the concealer trick, it's just gonna mess up and it's gonna crease. So I just do the semi-cut crease by itself. Like I just shape it out with the shadow. And it's really pigmented. It's gonna be really pigmented and it's gonna stay on longer. So do not use concealer with these. You might can use like a NYX primer or something like that. The NYX glitter primer would probably be good with these, but not concealer. So with our primer, we're going in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer on our cheeks. And then we're going to use the Tatcha, the Liquid Silk Canvas on our T-zone. Okay, so for my foundation, I'm going to use the Juvias I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation. You guys, I love this foundation. I haven't used this foundation in so long. I'm either using the Huda, the Too Faced. I haven't used the Anastasia in a long time. But I just feel like this one, and this is in Malawi. I just feel like this foundation suits my skin tone well, a lot better than the other ones, because I feel like the other ones are a little bit too dark for my liking. So that's why I'm going back to the Juvias, especially since it's getting fall and winter time and my skin tone is not as, I'm not as tanned like usually in the summertime, because in the summertime, baby, I be that nice dark chocolate, like that nice golden chocolate. So I was just like, we're going back to this. And yeah, but those foundations would have been perfect for me in the summertime. But since it's getting fall, I think it's fall now. Is it fall now? Since it's fall, we're going to go back to Juvia's, sweetie. So you don't need a lot of this foundation. I usually do like 3 lines on the cheek, on the chin, on the top lip, this nose, that side, in the middle, and then my forehead. Okay, maybe we're gonna do 4 lines. Now we're going to do our concealer. The concealer I'm going to use is the Tarte Tape Shape in the shade Tan Deep Honey. So now we're going to take our Huda Beauty powder, and I'm going to put that all over my highlighted areas, and then we're going to put it on our brows too. Since we got that out the way, I'm going to use my Makeup Forever Matte Velvet. And y'all, so for my bronzer, I'm making so much noise. So for my bronzer, I'm going to do the Fenty today because I want my face to look a little bit warm, as in a little red. I kind of missed it, okay? So I'm going to use this, and I need to carve my nose, like, you know, do a little shine to the nose, and then I put it in the brow. My pencil. Make sure you don't get your lace. We can use this as a blush, okay? It's a little too red, so I'm gonna go back in. I'm gonna go with my Revolution Glow powder. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. And we're just gonna go in on top of that. Go in on top, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too major. Go ahead and help the nose. So for our blushy blush, we're going to go in with this color from the Juvias, because I need something on my cheeks, okay? And for my highlighter, I'm going to use the KRouserBeautyBar highlighter in the shade Melon Heaven, which is sold out, but I always use Glow Getter as well. That's just as beautiful. So I need to at least put this on until I spray my face, because I'm not trying to mess up my face. Well, mess up my lace. I gotta at least do one more video with this red hair because this red hair is fire, okay? So I'm gonna use my Scandinavia, the makeup finishing spray. And this is the bridal one, and y'all, it's so freaking pretty. It's so pretty. So I'm gonna spray that. We're gonna go ahead and do our lips. So I'm gonna use the Juvias Place lip liner. Make sure to have the details down below since this is a makeup tutorial. I'm gonna use my dose of colors. This is not the color. I'm gonna use my dose of colors, knock on wood. This is like the perfect nude. Then I'm gonna go in with KRouserBeautyBar's lip gloss in the shade Nudish. We're going to go in with our eyeliner, and I'm gonna use the Fenty eyeliner in Cause I'm Black. Bottom lashes, I'm going in with the Urban Decay Lash Freak, perfect for the bottom lashes. For my lashes, I'm going to do Tease Me just because. So these are the KRouserBeautyBar lashes, and this is in the style Tease Me because I don't want nothing too thick, but I do still want a little thickness with some volume. A little thickness with some volume. I still want some volume with some length, but I don't want it to be too thick, because you still want to see the shadow and the smokiness. So see? You see the difference? Tease me, get this lash. So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. This shirt is from Fashion Nova. These necklaces are from my friend's shop, so I'll make sure to have it down below. These earrings are from Claire's. These sunnies, which would be the ideal shades that I will wear with this look. And these shades are from KRouserBeautyBar. And these are called the Luxe shades, and I do have more colors just in case you guys want more colors. And these, I love these, y'all. I love these glasses. They're so cute. Make you look, it amps up an outfit. But I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Thank you guys for rocking with your girl. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And I'll see you guys in my next video.